Alright, so this is a game we made up called the...
What's inside of it?
What's inside? How about what's inside of the plate?
No, it's what's inside of it.
Alright, fine. Well, anyways, so she's gonna pick out something for me, and then she's gonna cover it with another plate, and then I'm gonna open the plate and I'll have to eat it and try, and then I'll have to try to guess what it is.
And
All right.
but you have to keep your eyes closed the whole time.
Yes,
and we'll
yes,
take
I
turns doing that, right? Yeah, we'll take
sure.
turns picking out food. Okay, so close your eyes.
I'll close my eyes. Don't know what she's doing. Is it ready?
Yep, now open the plate. It's right here. There. You got the food. It's right there. What type of... What?
Oh, this is scrapped American cheese all day.
Yep. Now you finish that. You can finish it. And we should use the same plate. That's pretty good.
At first I was like, where is my food? I just feel something slimy.
It's just cheese, and that's what it is. Okay, so you have to pick something out of the fridge or somewhere in here or somewhere in there. So you could pick something in here because I love everything that's in there. So come on.
All right.
You keep one plate over here.
Oh,
And this is the one that the food goes in.
all right. Close your eyes. All right.
Please don't be raw Please don't be raw asparagus. That would be terrible. Is it on my plate?
Your food is ready. Oh, she took a second bite.
Linda does Uncrustables with the chocolate inside.
What type of chocolate?
Nutella.
Correct. It's a Nutella Uncrustable. All right. Now you can
Now
finish
finish
that.
eating it on the job.
Oh, all right. It's time for food.
And there's one round that people do not like, so
Oh,
there's
well,
one
okay
round,
then.
and it's right there.
I have something in mind for you for the thing you don't like. I hope it's not like any fruit or something. What?
Don't smell it. It smells kind of weird.
What is that?
No, we're not smelling. Okay,
I'm just by smelling it.
it's ready. There's one thing that no one likes. A pickle!
Ah.
It's a pickle. Oh no, there's pictures. I know, that's the round
I
that...
don't like pickles, no. I don't like hot pickles, no.
Okay, pickle. Give me some of that pickle. Give me some pickle. Can I have that pickle? Can I have a pickle?
All right. So, all right. Close the jar.
Okay, should we get a new plate for that?
Yeah, get a new plate. Yeah, pickle juice.
Go get a new plate, Fernando. Or I will. And I'm not gonna look. Okay. If you get something that I don't like, that you think I don't like.
That I think you don't like. That I think you don't like. Well, listen, I don't really have anything in mind for you that you don't like, because everything in here you like.
Grab something that I don't eat, like some of your stuff.
Oh. But of course. This one after this, we're gonna get a new plate.
Okay. Want to put kind of dulce?
Alright, you have to eat this with your finger and lick it, okay? And I'll leave what it is right here.
That's so good. I love this stuff.
Wait, why'd you open your eyes?
Because
You
I
want
love
to
this
guess
stuff.
what it is.
Sorry, I love this stuff.
What is it though?
I don't know what it's called, but I love it.
Sour cream. That's one wrong.
So you have to, so if you do one wrong, then if you do something that I like, then you have to take something and here. You have to do it again. Do it again because go get another plate for me, Fernando.
What?
Please. Okay, no, go get that plate. One of those. And now you have to pick something out of your sandwich drawer.
Oh, out of my sandwich drawer? Wait, that you don't like?
Yeah.
Can I heat it up?
No, because I just want it cold. But no bacon, because that's going to be raw. I said no bacon, whatever that is.
Is that good?
All right. Guess what it is?
Spit it out.
Sausage.
Correct.
I do not like sausage.
It's raw sausage, yeah.
I don't even like it here.
No, just take it. No.
No, I'm going to throw it away.
What? A whole plate. We're wasting plates.
Nothing juicy anymore.
Fernando, keep going.
What?
Keep filming it. Okay.
You don't have to use double plate. You can just use one plate.
Oh, yeah, right. All right, just use one plate now. We're using one plate.
You don't need to cover it up.
All right. Wait, you go. No.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's your turn. You go. Zoom.
That was our one.
All right.
No,
It's
but
time for
two
more
rounds.
food. It's time for more food. It's time. It's time.
Fernando,
It's time
there's
for
actually 2 rounds of the not liking.
Oh, okay. Can it? How about after this we do like 3 more rounds? Or
Okay.
something? Because I don't want this to be like a really, really long video.
Yeah,
I want it
after
to be
this
like-
will be my turn
I want
for
it
something
to. I want
else
it to
that I
be
don't
like.
like.
I want it to be like
Something
under
else-
10 minutes.
Something else that I do not like is after you something that you don't like either.
We're almost at 10 minutes.
Oh. Well, it's fine. I guess it'll
You
be a
good?
long video. I don't know.
Okay. It's ready.
There.
Right there.
Ooh, it's a Go-Gurt.
You like it?
Nice.
Gotta go there.
Strawberry Go-Gurt. Nice.
First time. First ever go.
it's good.
Okay. I never knew you would like. Now you can eat it on the job. Go ahead. Get out of the chair and let me. This is actually something that you do like. There's only one round of something that you do not like.
Ooh. Like this is good. I like it.
You like the burger?
Oh, wait, sorry. All right.
Make the plate of a good food.
All right, making the plate for Martina. Oh,
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you're new.
yes, correct.
I'm watching this channel. Fernando's my best brother. Because he's my only one.
Oh, right there.
And he has his own YouTube channel.
Zoom. All right. All right. Your food is ready, ma'am.
I love that. Wait, it's a cake. A plain cake.
Correct. It's the plain angel food cake. She just devours the cake. Oh, okay. All right. Man, that burger was good. So the only round of the do not like, I guess, was pickles, because I do not like pickles.
This is a second do not like.
Oh, come on. Please, nothing juicy. I swear. I'm scared for this.
Yeah. So you're going to have to pick something that I do not like.
Wait, next round?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
For you.
easy.
For you. For you.
I'll pick something that you don't like then.
Because I'm picking something that you don't like.
All right.
And I've never seen you eat this.
I have a great idea.
Your food is ready.
It's an Uncrustable.
Yes.
No. No.
It's jam.
Oh,
It's a
I
jam.
don't
He's gonna be okay. Last round ends with me.
like. Oh my god, that was bad.
Last round ends with me. So pick something that I do not like.
All right.
Mine's a close.
Oh my god. That last thing was terrible.
It was. But that's your last round.
Yeah, I know.
Wonder what I'm gonna get.
For this one, you kind of have to do something like the sour cream.
I don't know what it is.
Your food is ready. It's mayonnaise.
Why did you do that?
All right. Anyways, that was the last round. Peace.